So these are the folks from the famous food trucks of downtown Cleveland, and we're going to have a vintage Ohio experience that will feature these wonderful and talented chefs, and they will introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Elvis Serrano from JiBARO Gourmet Food Truck.
Hello, I am Sandy with Umami Moto.
I'm Jay with Umami Moto.
Hi, I'm Johnny Schultz from the Zydeco Bistro, Creole and Cajun cuisine food truck.
And Izzy Shackner, StrEat Mobile Bistro.
Very good. Welcome to all. And we're tasting some wines. And these wines will be the ones that will be featured in combination with the incredible menus that these folks are going to offer at this year's Vintage Ohio.